Mr. Harrington, welcome to Slovenia. As the world's leading public speaker expert, how have you managed to develop your own personal brand in the professional speaking business?
Well, it took some time to do so, but ultimately you have to create your own framework, your own model, a way of doing something, like a unique way that's different to what other people have done. So I created something called the Jet Set Speaker System, which I now teach to entrepreneurs and professionals and managers and CEOs around the world, so they can understand how to put their ideas together, how to formulate their content, their ideas, to share their concepts, and also to sell products and services as well, and make a difference in their income.
What would you say, what is the biggest achievement or success in your professional career up to now?
It's difficult, but probably sharing the stage with some legends, some people that I admire very much. So probably Tony Robbins, Sir Richard Branson, Donald Trump, people like Nick Vujicic, the gentleman with no arms and no legs, very inspirational guy on YouTube. So probably that, because I don't feel like I belong. I feel like I'm just little old Andy Harrington, but it seems that I've become successful enough to warrant share the stage with these amazing people. So yeah.
Who is a good speaker? What are his or her main characteristics?
Yeah, to be a great speaker, I think you have to have a lot of passion. And you can't be following a script. It has to come from here. It has to come from the heart. It has to be something where you share your beliefs, not just what you know, but what you believe in. Because I believe speaking and presenting is all about transference, belief, transference, how you feel to the audience. So if you write a script out and you memorize it word for word and you deliver it word for word, yeah, they get the information, but they're missing the most vital ingredient, which is, the you that's in the message to inspire them to make a change.
What is the first step in improving someone's public appearance?
Firstly, you need to focus on how they stand. So their physicality is one of a professional. Then managing their emotional state so that they have access to all their resources, which really involves just causing them to breathe in the right places. Just pause rather than do long run-on sentences, which then means they'll tend to add in filler words and things like that. So really it's about just some core presentation skills first, before then perhaps looking at how to create them content, how to tell great stories, and maybe even how to pitch.